I'm getting, which is not going to show up on this, but I'm getting like a rash around this area. Still there. It's like a rash. It's spreading on down below this original area of the bite. It's still red, but it's spreading out, and it's spreading out to the top part of my hip now. But it's a real light red, a light pink. Guys, I had to go back with the poultice again because it's spreading. It spread all the way. It spread all the way over to my groin area, all the way up in here. And that area of that lymph node is still swollen, and it goes around like this all the way. My whole hip area is like a light red. So then the center right here where the bite is, this area right here, that's the area that's red, and the other is just a pink color and like a rash. Heading into week 4, and it is still red. I don't know how well it's going to show up, but it is still red and it's still sore. And I had quit using the poultice, and I'm back using the poultice again. Still messed up, and it's still red. And I tried the poultice, charcoal poultice, a couple days, and I don't seem to be running a fever again, and I don't feel as bad. But it doesn't seem to be doing much as far as the redness is still there. So I think I'm going to go back to the aloe vera again. Today is October the 12th, and it's still red.